tensioner has been installed. We put it over this one, and then with this one, second compressor off, and then put it over here first, then put it on there second. That's the only way. After you got it lined up, everywhere else it will go on.
The new one.
This is going on?
That's the old one.
Yeah. Put that one in from there. Top part them out. The other one had a strip one. We had to get a new one. That one. Keep those loose, the bottom ones. Gotta line up that. There, right up. You can get it. This one goes right there.
I have to move the engine. Maybe.
That's a fortune. That goes there, that goes there. That lines up there. That goes in there. Goes there. Doing good. Put that there. I broke. That's a new one.